field settings in BreezyBit Form Builder is really easy. Let's say I have a student registration form, and whenever a student registers using this form, I want it to be related to a certain account in my Salesforce organization. Let's say this, in this case, University of Arizona account. So what I can do is in the contact object, I have the account ID field. I can just add this field into the parameter field, and I just give a name to this parameter that I'm going to be using in the URL. So which is account ID. I made it account ID in this case, and then save it. And after this, when I open my form, in my form record, my base URL is already ready for me. So what I need to do is, but I want to use this with the parameter I created. So I'm just gonna come here, I just say add, and account ID is the parameter name, and I want it to be equal to the University of Arizona account ID. And I just added here. So I just hit enter and my form is open for me with the parameter account ID of University of Arizona. So every submission will be related to, every new registration will be related to the University of Arizona account in my Salesforce organization. This is how I use the parameters in the BreezyBit Form Builder.